Macaroni and cheese with maple bacon. Ah, mac and cheese, a classic comfort food recipe. How could it get any better than this? Well, easy. Add weed and bacon to it. Cook 2.5 cups of macaroni in a large pot as per the instructions, then drain and reserve. Place 6 bacon strips on a foil-lined baking sheet and cook for 8 minutes at 400 degrees. Turn the bacon over and brush with 1 tablespoon of infused maple syrup, then cook another 7 minutes. Remove from the oven, cool, dice, and reserve. In the same large pot, melt 1/4 cup of butter over medium heat, stir in 1/4 cup of flour and mix well. Then add 2 cups of milk and cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the sauce thickens. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 cup of processed cheese, and mix well. Mix in 2/3 of a cup of sour cream and 1 1/3 cups of cottage cheese into the sauce. Add cooked macaroni and mix well. Pour the mixture in a greased casserole dish, then sprinkle with 2 cups of cheddar cheese and diced bacon. Cover the whole thing with 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs, dot with 2 tablespoons of butter, and sprinkle with a pinch of paprika. Bake at 350 for 45 to 50 minutes and say, cheese!